The P0720 code appears when the engine control module detects an issue with the output speed sensor. This sensor monitors the rotational speed of the transmission's output shaft and sends this data to the ECM. The ECM uses this information to determine shift points and control the torque converter clutch. If the sensor is malfunctioning, the ECM may not shift the transmission properly, leading to performance issues. But what causes this code? The first thing to check is the output speed sensor itself. If the sensor is failing or has internal damage, it can send incorrect signals to the ECM, triggering the P0720 code. Replacing the sensor is often the fix. The next possible cause is damaged or corroded wiring. The wiring harness connected to the output speed sensor can wear out over time due to heat, vibrations, and exposure to the elements. If the wires are broken, frayed, or corroded, they can prevent the sensor from working correctly. Inspect the wiring and connectors for any visible damage. Another possible cause is low transmission fluid. The transmission relies on hydraulic pressure to function correctly, and if the fluid level is too low, it can cause inconsistent pressure in the system. This can lead to erratic sensor readings, improper gear shifts, and even delayed engagement of the transmission. Since the output speed sensor relies on accurate rotational data from the transmission, low fluid can cause incorrect readings, triggering the P0720 code. Checking and topping off the fluid may resolve the issue. The next cause could be a faulty transmission control module. If the TCM is malfunctioning, it may not process the speed sensor signals correctly, causing shifting problems and setting the P0720 code. In rare cases, reprogramming or replacing the TCM might be necessary. The last thing to check is the transmission itself. Worn out components, such as the reluctor wheel, which the speed sensor reads from, can cause incorrect sensor readings. If internal transmission damage is present, further inspection may be needed. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.